So we have this little closet here. You know, a little coat hanging. Here's some garage space. And this is a room. The bedroom, closet, open closet. The bathroom, as you can see. So nice. We have a patio also. Push it up. That part, yeah. We have a little patio area. And I love to open it. Of course, it's the living room space, the kitchen. Oh, I really love it. And the balcony, I love this space. We go out here, I can feel really safe for him to be outside. A nice big deck. Definitely put a grill out there for sure. A little powder room. I want to make this room really colorful. Real colorful. So girly. This is where the washer and dryer will go on Tuesday, but as now it's empty. My room. I definitely love it, but I so wish I had a tub, but I'm not going to complain. Because it still looks so good. Middle school. Hold up, yes. Whole closet. So guys, thank you, Nay.